Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into BLK employee portal. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. And on the search URL, type in BLK employee login. Press enter. Now once you get to this interface, click on this first link that says employee login. Now from this interface, if you want to log in using your username and password, you have to click on this first button that says Disha, or if you want to log in using your email, then you can go to the second link that says email. Here I will go with my username and password. So click on the first button that is Disha. Now on the next page you have to enter your valid username of your employee account of BLK. Under that you have to enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, click on this link given to you that says forgot password and that will help you out to recover your password. Now if you are done typing in your password, click on this login button and on the next page you will be logged into your BLK employee account, and this is how you will be logged in using your username or password. Now if you want to go through your email, head back to the employee portal page. From here select this email. Now to sign in you can use your Microsoft email. So enter your correct email. If you need help to access your account, click on this link provided and that will help you out to find your account. Once you're done typing in your email address, then click on next button. On the next page, you have to enter your correct password and then click on sign in. Then you will be signed into your BLK employee account. And that's how you can log into BLK employee account. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.